Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, if you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. If you have not subscribed, please do go ahead, hit the subscribe button and as well notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a new video on my channel. With them be said, thank you. Hey baby guys, hey boss, what's good, what's popping at the corner? So guys, today I'm coming up to you with this beautiful smoky pink eye look for Valentine's Day to get a little bit of inspiration, just a little bit. Take a chip peel and enjoy. And no further talking, I also use a new palette to achieve this eye look, which I'm really feeling like I'm obsessed with this palette, period. Okay, no further talking, as always, don't forget to do what makes you happy, stay pretty and stay blessed. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Take a ciao. Mwah. Finish later, so straight we are going to move to eyeshadow. I'm super excited. I'm going to be taking this brush, the one I used to blend in my brow bone concealer. I'm just going to dab that all over my eye. Very tiny powder because this base is dry from alone. To the exciting part. Okay, so I grabbed these two palettes, Knockdown, Christmas periods, holiday, back season, not this season. Okay, so it's from Louvre, and yeah, it's so cute. I'm going to be taking this one right here, and this one is called Sunset Nova. Okay, Sunset Nova, this is what I'm going to use, and this one is called Hidden Frost. We're diving in, but I'm going to need the help from this sleek palette. This one is called Agenda Frost, this one right here, because I need these two shade right here. So that is the reason why I'm needing the help from that palette. So this is how the palette looks like. It's so cute. Let me come closer. So cute. I decided to use this pink right here, the only pink, I believe. This pink is shimmer. This is what I'm going to use for my eyeshadow. For the main lead color, this shade right here, I'm going to start up with this shade, this beautiful kind of dark pink Juvia's Place brush. This one is G115 blender, transition color, and it's pigment. It's really pigment, as you can see. I don't know if you guys can see, if the camera can pick it properly. Super beautiful shade to start up with. So I'm just going to start right there. As you see, it's very pigment, and it has a little bit of fallout. So yeah, it's pigment. Even if you have a fallout, but the pigmentation is more important. So I'm just going to start to blend. It's beautiful. I love it. The same brush, taking this beautiful shade right here, I'm just going to blur that as well. Basically, I'm just going to soften it before I go in with the darker shade. I don't want everything to be patchy, so I just want to blend before I go in with a darker shade. So yeah, so everything can look well blended and slimmestly. Okay. I'm excited. I'm all over the place. I'm going to dip in my brush into this darker purple shade right here. I'm just going to dip in the crease. The more, the deeper, the more the interesting. So I'm going to be switching off to a smaller brush and taking this shade right here. This one is a nude skin tone shade, and this one is called Savannah. I'm going to dust the excess away and then start blending the edges around. I'm obsessed. I'm going to switch off to a flat brush, and I'm taking this shade called Sweet Orange. That is going to be my brow bone highlight. Yes, that's what we're talking. That's what we're saying, baby girl. Yeah, that right? This look is basically easy if you really know what you want. Apply a little bit of NYX Glitter Glue Primer. Just going to press out a little bit and then go ahead and dab that on my lid. This beautiful pink right here, my god, it's so beautiful. Just check the reflection, like seriously, check the reflection. Using my Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner, I'll be right back, okay, to finish the face and the eye. Just stick around. Benefit the Pro Matte Rescue Primer from Juvia's Place. This one is G1 113 Round Buffer. Nose, I'm going to be taking this swatch from Smashbox Iconic Primer Stick. I've used it a couple of times and you guys have seen me do that. So I'm just going to apply my nose, my T-zone, and my cheeks, upper brow. What is it called? The NARS Natural Radiance Longwear Foundation. And mix it together with my L'Oreal, the one I used to clean my brow bone. Technique sponge, bring it down. This is not bringing it down, this is smoothing. To set my foundation, I'm going to be taking this Max Factor bronzing bronze, okay, light bronze. Highlight and contour, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. And to highlight, I'm going to be using 13 and 12. 12 is a little bit lighter, while 13 is a little bit darker. It's the same. And I'm going to use 616 to contour. Beauty brush to contour. brush, blending my nose contour. Foundation brush. So go ahead and highlight, use my mixed setting powder. Setting my contour, I'm going to be taking this Gel Line Terracotta Bronzer in the shade Ebony number 8, and I'm going to be taking this BH Cosmetic brush in number 3. To blush my cheeks, I'm going to be taking this Lancome blush, and this one is called Angel Rose. I'm going to be taking this brush that has no name. This beautiful shade Sunset Berry. I'm going to buff that under my eye, and I'm taking this Morphe eyeliner brush to do that. I'm setting it with the Max Factor bronzing powder. So I'm going to set my face with the Gloria Infallible Magic Setting Spray. This has been my go-to and my favorite. I don't know why. Let's keep rolling the ball in the corner. So doing cat eye is going to complement the look we're going for. That's okay, we don't need too much. For mascara, I'm going to be taking the Max Factor Dramatic Volume Mascara. So guys, for lashes, I'm going to be taking this Gorgeous Angel Lashes, and this one has no number. If I see any number, I'm going to leave it down below, but I've checked, I can't find any number. Guess where I found it? I found it in my makeup kits when I'm going out for makeup jar. I find it inside, like I was where were you, where were you, where were you, where were you? So it's a Becca highlighter, and this one is called Opal. The round brush, I'm just going to highlight my inner corner. Just up, I'm just going to highlight my cheekbone. I'm 21. So for lipstick, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and this one is in 55 Driver. Taking this lip liner by Alveda. I'm going to top it with the Edith Williams lip gloss. This one is in 461. Anyway guys, I'll be right back. Let me go fix myself. Let me go fix my wig. Let me go fix my outfit. I'll be right back to show you the finished look. Don't go anywhere. Just stick around and comment, okay? Zoom.